Hey everybody, this is Paulie. Welcome back to my channel. This is just gonna be a quick video. So you can have your garden outside, grow your fruit and vegetables, but inside you can grow portobello mushrooms, button mushrooms for sauce. It's pretty easy once you understand what you're doing. And yeah, I just introduced it to fruiting conditions. I'm gonna do a whole video on how I do it because these are portobello. I want to do button for my next one, and we'll do that together. And since I started this before I started the channel, get a good view here. So yeah, the substrate's on the bottom. It's sterile rye berries inoculated with portobello. That got fully colonized, and I put a casing layer on top. I had to wait for that. Then there's like little, almost looks like hairs that come up. The mycelium come up through the casing layer, and that's when you introduce it to fruiting conditions. I'll do a whole video on this, but pretty cool. I wanted to show you. Yeah, got a UV HEPA filter here to keep the air clean. And you gotta keep track of everything you do, you know? Alright, so I guess I'll do a more in-depth video. I'll probably start the portobello soon to show you guys. This was just supposed to be just a quick update since I introduced it to fruiting conditions. You know, so fruiting conditions, meaning the mushrooms come up. And what's really cool is that once you introduce it to fruiting conditions, I have to mist it once a day. But what's really cool is there's something called flushes, right? So the mushrooms will grow, I'll harvest them, then reintroduce it to fruiting conditions by remisting, keeping the light on, and it'll grow again. So that's called a flush, when you basically harvest and it just grows again. And I can do that, I think, up to like 5 times. I don't know, this is my first time doing it. Half of the, I had 4, and half of them got contaminated, and I had to throw them away. It's supposed to be white. If they turn green, then you messed it up. And that's what I did, so 50% are gonna be gone already. Yep. Keep you all updated.